using the navigation pane with heading styles. There's one big advantage, and of course people are going to read it because of the consistency. Advantage number 2, if we decide we want to change up the look by choosing a different theme, if we use styles that are part of the theme, they're going to change accordingly. Another big advantage in this is the time savings when it comes to formatting our documents. But there's one more advantage to discuss, and we're going to see that when it comes to navigating your document. So we're going to be working with our Best to Land and Hotel guide that we've been working on so far. If you've skipped to this lecture and need to get caught up, just open up your LH_guide 0603. Then you have what I have. Next, we'll click on the View tab. And then notice there's an option here in our View tab to the left-hand side which says Show Navigation. So the navigation pane is going to open up, and there's a number of ways to navigate a document. You can see headings is selected automatically. We can also select pages, and you see the thumbnails of pages. And then results. But we don't have any results, and we'll talk about that in a later lecture. I'll go back to headings and I'll click there. So there are a number of heading styles in this document. For example, if we go back to our Home tab, we'll see that we have, if we click on the heading, the West End, London, we have a heading 1, a heading 2, and a heading 3, and so on. We see them listed here in the navigation pane. That means if we want to go to the Pane, London, we could click right here in the navigation pane, and it takes us right to that spot. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And you can see we're on page 5 of 10, if you see down here. Otherwise, we'd have to scroll through trying to find that. And this is much faster thanks to the navigation pane. Now, we wouldn't see any of these if we hadn't used quick styles to format our document using some of these headings. We can go back to West End, London. That was the first one, as you can see under our title where we used a heading. So that's kind of cool. I'll go ahead and click that. That's kind of cool how it navigates us back and forth. So by using styles, definitely we can create a nice, consistent looking document using that theme, and we can change themes. That's a nice, fast transition. But if you want to navigate especially longer documents, if you've been using headings from your Quick Styles drop down, there's our headings. If you notice as I click it, it changes the document as well. So by clicking them in the navigation pane, we can position ourselves to those. And so we can close this up when we no longer need it. So that's our overview of styles.